Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central is NAV 2021-2022.
And you know what? We're on NAV 2015. I like it. Where I came from before this job, we're using NAV, 2009 Classic Client. So this is a big difference for me. But, I go online and I see emails and I see that there's this new version of NAV called Business Central. And I look at it and it's completely different. Is this something that maybe we should upgrade to? Or is this something we don't have to worry about? Are there features to upgrading this? Are there benefits? I mean, I see that it's in the cloud. It can be hosted on premise. There's so many questions. I'm losing the 4 hairs that I have left on my head. I don't know what to do here, what to recommend to my management team.
Well, Michael, let's talk about it.
Right.
So you're running NAV 2015. You got some customizations in there?
Yeah, we've got some customizations.
Yep. Okay. You running some add-on solutions? You got a couple add-ons
got some add-on
in
solutions,
there?
Avalara, a couple different things.
All right. Yep. So, So you're not alone.
It's good to hear.
There's thousands of companies like you out there running NAV 2009, 2013, 15, 16, 17, 18, right? And but you look out there, there's no NAV 2021.
Right.
There's no NAV 2022. What gives? Well, Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central is NAV 2021-2022. Right?
So you're saying that it just got a name change, or that it's
a rebranding, of the product, right? Microsoft said we're going to switch from Dynamics NAV, right, to just Dynamics 365.
Gotcha.
Right? And Business Central is basically NAV.
Okay.
So that it is the product. Now, and if you're active on the Microsoft Enhancement Plan,
which we are,
right? Great to hear. So you are entitled to run the latest version of Business Central at your organization.
Okay.
So version 17 or 2020 Wave 2
Gotcha.
is the latest release of Business Central.
Okay.
All right. Now, one of the things that's a little confusing is that there's 2 flavors of this. There's Business Central on premise, which you're running
We're running NAV on premise, right?
NAV, yep. And then there's also Business Central online.
Online. Okay.
Right? And the difference is who's hosting who's hosting that solution, or where is it deployed? In the on-premise solution, you are responsible for hosting it.
Right. I believe right now we're running it off our server, in-house server, so yeah.
Right. So you could continue to run it on your in-house server, or you could decide, I don't want to purchase another server, I want to run it on a hosted server, like on Azure. So you could run it on a private Azure server